Good to see you on Saya Resum, where every gadget tells a story, and every review uncovers the facts. Today, we'll peel back the marketing gloss to reveal what really matters. Today we're taking a closer hands-on look at the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 8 Pro, the newest and most advanced earbuds in the Redmi lineup, with features like 55 decibels active noise cancellation, high-res audio wireless support, triple driver sound, Bluetooth 5.4, and dual device connectivity. These earbuds are clearly aiming to shake up the mid-range wireless audio market, especially at a price of around $90. So the question is simple. Are these the best value ANC earbuds you can buy right now? Let's start with the unboxing experience. The packaging of the Redmi Buds 8 Pro immediately gives a premium impression for this price category. On the front of the box, you'll see the product image along with official badges for high-res audio wireless certification and Dolby Audio support, both features usually found on more expensive earbuds. Inside the box, Xiaomi includes everything you need to get started: a short USB-C charging cable, 2 additional ear tip sizes, small and large, and a user manual set. It's a clean, practical bundle that makes setup quick and easy. Now moving on to the design. The version I'm looking at comes in a glossy white finish that looks sleek and modern. Right out of the box, the shine gives the charging case a premium appearance. Although glossy surfaces can attract fingerprints more easily compared to matte finishes, still, the case feels compact and comfortable in the hand. The charging case measures approximately 2.4 times 1.0 times 1.9 inches and weighs only about 1.1 ounces, making it easy to carry in a pocket or small bag without any inconvenience. On the front, there's a clean LED status indicator strip, while the bottom houses the USB-C charging port. A small function button sits subtly on the side, keeping the design minimal and uncluttered. Opening the case reveals 2 in-ear earbuds, with a design that feels familiar and ergonomic. Each earbud weighs only about 0.19 ounces, making them comfortable enough for extended listening sessions. The stems are short but still provide enough surface area for touch controls, and the gold-accented Redmi logo on the touch zones adds a subtle premium detail. Removing the ear tips reveals another thoughtful design. Upgrade: a high-density gold-plated metal acoustic mesh. Compared to traditional fabric mesh filters, this metal structure improves durability and makes cleaning easier over time. The earbuds are also rated IP54 for dust and water resistance, meaning they can handle workouts, light rain, or daily commuting without worry. Now let's talk about the sound performance, because this is where the Redmi Buds 8 Pro really stand out. Thanks to a triple coaxial driver setup, a dual DAC architecture, and support for the LDAC codec, these earbuds deliver impressive detail for their price range. Listening to pop and ballad tracks immediately highlights the wide soundstage and strong separation between vocals and instruments. Voices feel clear and forward without sounding artificial. Bass performance is balanced rather than overwhelming. Instead of exaggerated low-end impact, the earbuds provide controlled and punchy bass that works well across genres like EDM, electronic music, and modern pop. If you prefer stronger bass, you can easily boost it using EQ adjustments inside the companion app. Mid-range performance is especially enjoyable for vocals, podcasts, and acoustic tracks. Voices sound natural and slightly warm, making them comfortable for long listening sessions. Treble frequencies remain crisp and detailed without becoming sharp or fatiguing, which is ideal for users who listen for several hours each day. Another major highlight is the 55 decibels active noise cancellation system. This level of ANC performance is impressive in the mid-range category and works well in environments like airplanes, trains, or public transportation. Xiaomi also includes multiple preset ANC scenarios, optimized for different travel situations, allowing the earbuds to adapt intelligently depending on where you are. Connectivity is equally strong, with Bluetooth 5.4, latency stays low enough for video streaming and casual gaming. While dual device connection support allows you to stay connected to both your phone and laptop at the same time, switching between devices feels seamless and convenient, especially during workdays. Android users benefit even more from Google Fast Pair, which makes the first connection almost instant the moment the charging case opens. After pairing, deeper customization becomes available through the Xiaomi Earbuds app, where you can adjust ANC modes, change touch controls, activate adaptive sound features, enable gaming mode, and update firmware easily. Battery life is another strong advantage. Each earbud includes a 54 mAh battery, delivering up to 8 hours of listening time on a single charge. Combined with the 480 mAh charging case, total playback time extends up to 33 hours, which is more than enough for several days of normal use, without needing to recharge frequently. In real-world use, you can comfortably get through an entire day and sometimes even 2 or 3 days before reaching for the charging cable again. Overall, the Redmi Buds 8 Pro deliver an impressive combination of strong ANC performance, detailed high-res audio, smart connectivity features, and long battery life in a compact and stylish package. For anyone looking for powerful wireless earbuds under $100, these easily stand out as one of the most competitive options available right now.